Hi guys, in this video we're gonna see how you can fix the Apple TV app not working on Windows 11. So this app was recently introduced by Apple in collaboration with Microsoft on the Microsoft Store for Windows users to have a better Apple TV experience. The iTunes experience was really bad and the Apple TV app is here to improve that. First of all, what you need to do is make sure you have a good internet connection because internet connection is needed to stream content on Apple Music unless you are watching something offline. So to make sure you have a good internet connection, just restart your router and try releasing bandwidth of your internet connection or reconnecting to the Wi-Fi. You can also check your speed by going to fast.com. So if I go to fast.com, here I will be able to check my internet speed. So make sure your speed is up to 5 to 10 Mbps for a good streaming experience. Next up, you need to check your Apple ID. Make sure you're signed in using the same Apple ID that you have bought the subscription with. Even if you are signed in using the correct Apple ID, you can try signing out and then signing in to see if the app works. What you can do is open the Apple TV app, click on your name here. Let me expand it. So click on your name and then click sign out. So once you're signed out, refresh the app, click on sign in and then sign in again. Use your Apple ID and then click sign in. Once signed in, try playing something on Apple TV and see if the app is working now. If the app is still not working, then what you're going to do is just authorize the PC. So for every new PC or device that you sign in using your Apple ID on, you have to authorize it. So what you're going to do is click on your name and then click authorize machine. Enter your Apple ID password and then click authorize. So if the Apple TV app is still not working, just make sure you're streaming on only one device at a time if you have an individual plan. But if you have a family plan, you can stream on up to 6 devices. So make sure you're not exceeding the limits because if you're streaming on another device, you cannot simultaneously stream on your PC. So keep that in mind and then also make sure to check your Apple TV Plus subscription. So if the subscription is expired, then you might want to resubscribe. So how do you check your Apple TV subscription? Just click on your name and then click view my account and then scroll down to the settings section and then click on manage next to subscriptions. This will open the your Apple TV Plus subscription page where you can see whether your subscription has expired and you can purchase a new subscription if you want. So I had subscribed to Apple TV Plus via Apple Music. So this is my subscription here. If I'm done checking the subscription, I can click done here. And then if the Apple TV app is still not working, I can move on to the next step. And the next step is to check your rented expiry. So if you have rented a movie or something else that has a time limit, then you will have to rent it again if you want to keep watching it. So make sure to do that. And next up, check your audio settings. If you're not hearing any audio on your Apple TV app, then it might be an issue with your device or the audio device that you're using. So to fix that, go to the settings app and then click on system here. For going to the settings app, you can use the Windows plus I shortcut on your keyboard. And then click on system and then click sound and then select your speakers from here. You can select any of the audio devices that you want to play your Apple TV sound on. So if the issue is not with audio or something else, you can skip to the next step, that is force closing the iTunes app. So the iTunes app was previously used to access Apple TV on Windows, or you could use the web also, but primarily this was the app that you would use to access Apple TV on Windows. So now that Apple has introduced a standalone app, that is the Apple TV app for Windows, iTunes no longer works with Apple TV. So these two apps might be conflicting with each other, causing the Apple TV app not to work. So to fix this, you can force close iTunes, and if that does not work, you can uninstall iTunes altogether. So to force close iTunes, just right click on your taskbar and then select Task Manager. Now search for iTunes using the search bar at the top and then right click on iTunes and then click End Task. It will close the iTunes app, and if that does not help, you can uninstall iTunes. You might also want to force close the Apple TV app to see if that helps. So right click on Apple TV and then click End Task. Now if you want to uninstall iTunes, just search for iTunes here. Right click on iTunes and then click uninstall. Click on uninstall again to confirm and check if Apple TV app is working now. If all of that does not help, what you're going to do is restart your PC. So what you're going to do is click on the start menu, then click on the power icon and then click restart. After the restart, check if the Apple TV app is working now. If the app is still not working, then go to the settings, click on Windows Update and then check for updates. If there are any available updates, install them because these updates are necessary to keep Apple TV compatible with Windows and let it run without any issues. So if there are any updates available, click on download and install and then restart your PC. If updating Windows does not help, then you might have to update your Apple TV app as well because the Apple TV app also needs to be updated just like your Windows software. So go to the Microsoft Store and then click on the library option here. Then click on get updates. This will install any updates available for any apps on your PC. So once the update is installed automatically by Windows, check if the Apple TV app is working now. If the app is still not working, then you might have to reset the app and see if that helps. So for that, you're going to search for Apple TV, right click on Apple TV, and then click on app settings. Scroll down and then click on reset, and then click on reset again. This will reset the app, and once you open the app again, you have to sign in using your Apple ID again, and then check if the app is working now. If the app is still not working, then the final solution is to uninstall the app and then reinstall it. So what it does is, if there was something wrong during the initial installation, this will fix those issues. So search for Apple TV app again, and then right click on it, click on uninstall again, and this will uninstall the Apple TV from your Windows PC. So how are you going to install it? Go to the Microsoft Store and then search for Apple TV and then click install. Once the app is installed, sign in using your Apple ID and see if the issue has been fixed. If the Apple TV app is still not working, then all you can do is contact Apple support and let them know that you have this issue. They will be able to help you out and provide with tailored fixes. We hope that this video has helped you fix the Apple TV app not working on Windows 11 issue. You can check this article from the link in the description below. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace out.